Are you here for story time? If you're here for story time, clap your hands. If you're here for story time, clap your hands. If you're here for story time, finger plays and games and rhymes. If you're here for story time, clap your hands. I think maybe she should have said pause. Come join us for story time online. Today's story is called Nesting. And oh my, I think this is one of my new favorite books. And you know why? It's because I love robins. And I really, really love the colors in this book. Really, there's not too many, but they're bright and strong. The illustrations are just gorgeous. I hope you like them too. Nesting by Henry Cole. It is an early spring morning. The ground is covered with frost. From the branch of an apple tree, a robin starts to sing. His song tells other male robins, "Stay away." But a female hears his song too. "Here I am," he sings. The two robins explore. One spot looks perfect. Together they gather dry grass and small twigs. They begin to build a nest. The nest is finished. It is perfect. It is just the right size and shape. The mother robin settles into it and sits quietly. She lays an egg. It is smooth and blue. She lays 3 more. 4 is perfect. She keeps the eggs warm. She is patient. Inside each egg, a baby bird is growing. The eggs begin to hatch one by one. The babies have no feathers. They're blind and defenseless. And very hungry. A juicy caterpillar is a perfect meal for baby robins. So is a soft worm. One afternoon, a storm comes. The wind blows and rain pours. The babies are kept safe. The storm passes. Day after day, the babies need more food. The parents make many, many trips. Down below, a snake sees the robin's nest. The snake is hungry, too, and climbs the apple tree. The robins fight back. They dive and swoop. They don't give up until they drive the snake away. The young robins have grown bigger and bigger. They fill up the nest. They have feathers now, just right for flying. One by one, they leave the nest. They flap and drop to the ground below. Soon they grow strong and can feed themselves. Their wings take them anywhere they want to go. It's late summer now, and the days are shorter. The robins eat berries and grow fat. Now they can survive a cold winter. They gather to spend the winter months together. The old nest is covered with snow. A new nest will take its place when spring comes again. And there's an author's note in the back. It says that American robins can be found in backyards and gardens all across North America. The male robin's cheerful song is one of the first signs announcing that spring has arrived. Usually robins build nests in trees or shrubs, but they also use eaves of buildings, gutters, porches of houses, or the tops of outdoor light fixtures. The female does most of the nest building using twigs and grass. She adds mud to make it strong. There's a few more notes. I'll save those for maybe when you want to pause and read them yourself. And that's the end. I like seeing the robins in this story. I have a pair of robins nesting in my tree at home. Do you? Do you know what they sound like? Maybe you go outside and listen. They have a lot of different kinds of calls. Maybe you could even see baby birds soon. That would be awesome. Okay, well, thanks. Thanks for coming by. See you soon. Bye-bye.